Hi, this is David Bigelow, community arborist expert video at TreeStuff.com, and today's video is how to make your tree motion harness more comfortable. A lot of guys really like this harness, I do, but you almost need suspenders for it. There are other options out there. I've tried every one of them that I've found, even some homemade options, and this is by far my favorite. This is actually the new camp chest harness, and a little micro carabiner back here and some accessory cord right here, and it does everything that I ask it to, plus more. You have your tending options here as well built in. Super comfortable, displaces the weight. Maybe you climb in it 6, 7, 8 hours a day. Maybe you got big saws with you that you take up. I wouldn't ever want to do it without these suspenders. Here, hey, got a rope bag coming up too. Sure. Yeah, they work. So yeah, the camp suspenders on the tree motion harness. Little accessory carabiner in the back and some accessory cord up here. It's a great option. Give it a try. Thank you.